I'm here to talk to you today about universal consciousness and supernatural abilities. Becoming conscious of the universe, becoming conscious of yourself and who you are. I'm here to run through this real quick. I'm not here to preach to you. I'm not here to try to persuade you anything. I'm basically here to do my job to save humanity and higher the frequencies of the people on low vibrations, vibrating on low vibrations. So first off, I want to start off with talking about programming. Programming starts off as a kid. When you're first born, they give you a name. That's the first part of your programming. So with that being said, your name was given to you. You didn't pick your name. You didn't choose your name. So when somebody calls your name, your program says, he said my name. Hey, respond. If I didn't say your name and I said another name, you wouldn't respond because your programming doesn't recognize that. So the whole major part that I'm trying to get to about the programming is, in order to reach a universal consciousness and a higher level of thinking, you have to understand programming and you have to be willing to be the master of your own programming. It's like computers. Like when you cut on your computer might be whatever you named it when you first got it. And how computers and programming works, it works by codes and certain words and phrases and certain keys to let you into the programming to actually operate the programming as the master. So with that being said, first of all, if you're gonna learn and you're gonna listen, you're gonna have to take control of your mastermind. Which means, like a computer, when you cut your computer on and it asks you for the code that you put in, your name, a certain number, whatever you put in as your code, then with that you can get into the program. So if you're going around and you looking for consciousness and you looking for certain stuff, if you're not in the right mind state to control your programming, you're gonna reject it. You're gonna reject the knowledge. So with that being said, become aware that you are the master of your own programming. If you go into a computer program and you type in the wrong code, it's not going to let you in. And if you need to actually get in there because you forgot the code, then you will have to go through like the master boot, or you will have to override and work as the master to reset the password. Okay, so with that being said, I want to talk about basically real fast, not just African American people, all people. The first thing that you need to get understood is that you've been programmed since birth, whether you want to realize it or not. Your religion, your teaching, your education, everything has been handed to you. You have not created none of that. You are not the creator of anything thus far. But we're working to change that. So, with that being said, you want to think about your life from when you was a kid and think about all the programming that was put on you. Example, school. What you want to be when you grow up, a doctor, a basketball lawyer. Those were things that were put in front of your face, and you pick one and then you're going to work that program to get to that. So, where I'm getting at with this whole thing is becoming one with your higher self. Becoming back one with yourself and taking over the control of your own mastermind. Is your mastermind. One of the big things about programming is religion. Religion plays a big part of programming, because based off of what you believe God is, what you believe the devil is, and what you believe you are, is how you will operate in the universe. That's how far you will extend in your state of mind.